The cluster of this star is known as a constellation. There are many constellations: Leo, Libra, Cancer, and so on and so on and so on. These are constellations that are found in the Milky Way, and that deals with a separate faculty of knowledge that is known as astronomy. Astronomy, astrology, all these things deal with all the heavenly bodies that is very far beyond the reach of the human being, which is being studied. Now, Buni al-Hirman, the reason why I am preparing this prelude for you is to understand, when I speak about the faculty, what is the greatness and what is the importance of knowledge, and what is a human value without knowledge. And then again we have to now categorize the different faculties of knowledge, and which is beneficial to a Muslim and which is not beneficial to a Muslim. Coming back to the fact that it is stated by Sayyidina Ali. Sayyidina Ali radiallahu anh says, Al-Bunya al-Hirman al-Nasr fi Sartan. Hirman, Ihram. Ihram is the Arabic word for the pyramid. Ihram in Misr, the pyramids, the great pyramids of Egypt. Sayyidina Ali says, Buni al-Hirman. Why Sayyidina Ali radiallahu anh is a door to the city of knowledge. Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, Ana madinatul ilm wa aliyum babuha. I am, Nabi alayhi salatu wa salam states that I am the city of knowledge. City of knowledge. And the door to the city of knowledge is Sayyidina Ali. Right. Now, it doesn't mean that the other Sahaba are exempt from this. They are included in this hadith, and this hadith that I have narrated to you is only a portion of the complete original hadith. The complete hadith, which is very rarely quoted by the ulama, and people are not aware of this complete hadith. This Ana Madinatul Ilm wa Ali Babuha is only a small portion of the complete hadith. Let me read out the complete hadith to you, then you will know for the fact as to you do not exclude the other eminent Sahaba who are the Khulafa al-Rashideen from the faculty of knowledge. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, Ana Madinatul Ilm wa Abu Bakr asasuha wa Umaru saqafuha wa Uthmanu jidaruha wa Aliyum babuha, aw kama qala an-Nabiy sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. This is the complete hadith. Ana Madinatul Ilm, I am the city of knowledge, and Sayyidina Abu Bakr is the foundation for it. Sayyidina Abu Bakr radiallahu anh is the foundation to this, and Sayyidina Umar al-Faruq radiallahu ta'ala an is the roof